We are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing words in English and some of the most mispronounced ones, so make sure to stay tuned for those. In British English, it is said as labyrinth, labyrinth. You do want to stress on the first la syllable, labyrinth. In American English, however, it is normally said as labyrinth, labyrinth, hardly any second syllable here. Labyrinth in American English versus labyrinth in British English. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.